You see the message, you even open it sometimes, and in your head, you fully plan to reply later. But later turns into hours, then a day, then suddenly it feels too late to answer at all. And the whole time, it's sitting in the back of your mind, not forgotten, just avoided. The weird part is, it's usually not because you dislike the person. Sometimes it's someone you actually care about, which makes the guilt even worse. Here's what's happening. A message isn't always just a message. Your brain can treat it like a task, a social task. You have to think what to say, match the energy, continue the conversation, be emotionally present. And if your mind is already tired, even small communication can start feeling heavy. So your brain delays it, not because it doesn't matter, but because it suddenly feels like something to deal with. And the longer you wait, the more pressure builds around it. Now you're not just replying, now you're replying late. So your brain starts creating extra thoughts. They probably think I'm ignoring them. Now it's awkward. I waited too long, which makes you avoid it even more. And honestly, sometimes people don't avoid messages because they're careless. They avoid them because communication feels emotionally demanding in that moment, especially when your social energy is low. Even good people can start feeling like too much work when your brain feels overloaded. Here's the part most people don't realize. The stress usually isn't the conversation itself, it's the anticipation of it. Because once you finally reply, the pressure often disappears immediately. So if this happens to you a lot, it doesn't automatically mean you're lazy, rude, or a bad friend. Sometimes it just means your brain turned a small interaction into something emotionally bigger than it really was. And the longer you carry that guilt, the heavier one simple message starts to feel.